Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Monopoly Go application on your mobile device. Whether you are using an Android or iOS, this process will guide you through easily. First of all, make sure that your device that you're using is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store or your Google Play Store. Now, go to the search icon at the bottom right and then in the search box type in Monopoly Go. Look for the Monopoly Go application from Scopely Inc. and then tap the install or the get button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait for a few minutes and after the installation is complete, tap on the open button to start playing. And that's how you easily get Monopoly Go on your smartphone. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Monopoly Go tips and tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.